the advice that I give to teachers and students is about thinking about your instructional content, right? For teachers, it is about thinking about your instructional content. And for learners, it's about thinking about what you want to learn, right? And let's just say you want to learn English, and there's so much that is involved in learning English that you're not going to learn just by talking for one day. And so there are different steps that you need to take in order to achieve your proficiency. So for example, if you want to learn new vocabularies, and how can you use AI to learn new vocabulary? And that's kind of my thinking in terms of integrating AI into our system to allow it to perform tasks with you so that you learn something from it and you're ready to do more complex tasks the next time. And the example I gave the last time was you wanted to write an essay to describe a diagram. But first, you need to understand what is on the diagram first. So maybe you talk with AI to talk about what you see on the diagram, what nouns you see, what verbs you see, what actions you need to follow.
Mọi
Are
người
we,
có
are
thấy
we
cô
still on the original question?
Still on the original question, and I was
Okay.
explaining how we integrated AI into Edulink and are still doing it. And the first thing that we did when ChatGPT came out was to integrate it into the system so that it could give the feedback. But then I wanted to emphasize that it is way more important for the learners to think about why they want to communicate, what they want to communicate in writing and in speaking in the first place, right? And then the AI comes in as someone or something to give you feedback so that you can improve. So the reason to communicate is very important. And the second point that I made is that we also wanted AI to be able to complete tasks with the learners so that they can do more complex tasks later or do it more independently later. So the reason for you to learn a language is still to do it in real life. It's not about using it with AI, right?